Ever wondered how to effectively manage your business? The first step is defining your vision and goals. Picture this: your business is a ship sailing towards the horizon. Your vision is that horizon, the ultimate destination where you want your business to reach. It's the big picture, the grand dream, derived from your company's purpose and values. Now, you can't sail without a compass or a map, can you? That's where your goals come in. They are your guiding stars, your milestones. And to ensure they lead you in the right direction, make them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals could be about sales, growth, profitability, or anything that drives your business forward. Having a clear vision and SMART goals not only guides your decision-making, but also aligns your team, keeping everyone focused and motivated. Remember, a clear vision and well-defined goals serve as the roadmap to your business success. With a solid vision and goals in place, your next focus should be on building a strong team. This begins with the recruitment process. You're not just hiring people, you're building a team, a collective unit that works towards a common purpose. Look for individuals who not only have the necessary skills, but also align with your company's values. Once you've assembled your team, it's time to invest in their development. Continuous training and development not only equip your team with the skills they need to excel, but also show them that you value their growth. This builds loyalty and fosters a positive work environment. But building a strong team doesn't end with recruitment and development. It's also about effective delegation. Empower your team members by entrusting them with responsibilities. Encourage them to take ownership of their work. This develops their skills further, boosts their confidence, and drives them to perform better. A strong, empowered team is a key asset to your business. Now that you have a strong team, it's time to master your finances. This is where the rubber meets the road. Without a solid grasp of your financial situation, your business could be headed for trouble. So, let's get started. First, develop a comprehensive financial plan. This should track your income, expenses, and cash flow. It's like your business's GPS, guiding you towards profitability. Next, keep an eye on key financial metrics. This includes your profit margins, return on investment, and debt-to-equity ratio. These numbers tell the story of your business's financial health. They're like the vital signs that doctors monitor in a patient. Finally, always have a plan B. Life is full of surprises, and so is business. Planning for contingencies and managing risks can help ensure your business's financial stability. It's like having an insurance policy for your business's future. Remember, financial mastery is crucial for the survival and growth of your business. Next, let's tackle one of the most visible aspects of your business: marketing and sales. Crafting a compelling marketing strategy is vital to reaching your target audience and promoting your products or services. It's like creating a roadmap that guides your business to its desired destination. Just as a traveler might use various modes of transportation, your business should utilize an array of marketing channels. Social media, content marketing, paid advertising, and public relations each offer unique advantages. The key is to find the right blend that resonates with your audience. But marketing is only half the battle. You also need a sales process that effectively converts leads into customers. This process is the bridge that connects your marketing efforts to actual sales. It's about understanding your customers' needs, presenting a solution, and closing the deal. Remember, a robust marketing and sales strategy doesn't only increase your revenue, it also provides a strong foundation for sustainable business growth. Behind the scenes of your business are the operations and logistics, which need your attention too. Establishing efficient systems and processes is the backbone of any successful enterprise. Be it daily operations, manufacturing, customer service, or inventory management, a well-oiled machine runs smoothly and effectively. But how do you know if your machine is well-oiled? That's where data analysis comes into play. By scrutinizing your data, you can identify areas ripe for improvement. Streamlining operations can lead to increased productivity, cost savings, and a more harmonious work environment. But let's not forget the final piece of the puzzle: quality control. Maintaining consistency in your product or service is paramount. Your customers expect it, and your reputation depends on it. Regular checks and balances can help ensure you're delivering what you promise every single time. Smooth operations and logistics can greatly enhance your business productivity and customer satisfaction. Finally, it's essential to stay compliant with regulations to avoid legal complications. In the world of business, the rule of law is the name of the game. It's crucial to stay updated on legal and regulatory requirements that pertain to your industry. This is about more than just avoiding fines or penalties. It's about operating ethically and responsibly. Delving deeper, tax regulations, employment laws, and data privacy regulations are just some of the areas you need to keep a close watch on. These regulations often change, and it's your responsibility to stay on top of these changes. But don't fret. You don't have to navigate these complex regulations alone. Seek professional advice, such as hiring a lawyer or an accountant, to ensure compliance and avoid any potential legal issues down the line. Remember, staying compliant not only keeps you out of legal trouble, but also builds trust with your stakeholders. To recap, effective business management revolves around these 6 key areas. First, define your vision and goals, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Second, build a strong team that aligns with your company's purpose and values. Next, master your finances by developing a comprehensive financial plan and monitoring key metrics. Fourth, craft a compelling marketing strategy and develop a sales process that turns leads into customers. Fifth, streamline your operations and logistics to increase productivity. Lastly, stay compliant with regulations to avoid any legal issues. In addition to these, embrace technology. It's your friend in this digital age. Network and build relationships. These connections could be your stepping stones to greater heights. Adapt and be flexible. The market is ever-changing, and so should your strategies. And never stop learning. Growth is a continuous process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, managing a business is a journey of constant learning and adaptation. Keep going.